All right, well, here's this week's accommodations. Looks like a nice place to spend a night in. But again, just like the teepee video, which I mention a lot, I hope this isn't Bigfoot's area or home, and he'll be coming home anytime soon. Actually, we are back out in the forest. Shock, shock. And this week, we're in a new spot, and it is rather nice. This is a very big campsite. I'm sure there's been a party or two held here. But here's the tent. And we have a bathroom set up. But somebody spent some time and made a nice bench for the fire pit. Now, we're not going to be using that bench, but it's pretty cool. What we are using, hopefully, because as I speak, raindrops are gently coming down. So hopefully we can hang out here. But we have the setup like this week because we have a special guest again. Pat is with us. And of course, the king. So this is our setup for today, for tonight, hopefully. Hopefully we don't get a bunch of rain. We'll see how waterproof this tent is. But I don't know. It said like 5% chance, which out here in the forest can mean anything. But it's a very nice area up here. Back down the road, a few miles was the teepee location, and then a mile or so past that was last week's location. We'll be heading out this way, which takes us back to the area where I've camped previous videos. So kind of in the middle of everything here. But there's a nice breeze, even with the overcast and occasional sprinkles. It's beautiful. So we're gonna relax. Hope it doesn't rain. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We're gonna have some dinner and see what happens. So we'll pick you back up then. Well, it is 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Gary and Pat are in the tent taking a nap. So I just been out walking and I found this tree that has seen better days. Well, it's not a tree anymore. But there was a big fire that came through here a couple of years ago. And so I just been out walking around the area. It's wanting to rain. It's not quite raining. I don't know what it's going to do. If it starts to rain really hard, we may have to bail. Because if it gets too muddy, that could be a problem. I don't know. But I just thought I'd cut back in and show you a little bit of the landscape. This is on my phone, so it's going to sound and look different. I'm trying to go slow, but I keep tripping. There's camp back there. And the three of us do fit well in the tent. I laid down for a little bit. We figured we better give it a good try before we try spending the night, because if it just wasn't going to work with the three of us, then with the weather we would just have to bail. But I think it'll work. Gary's the problem, because he's such a big pug. But we'll work around it. But it's going to depend on if it rains or not. Like I said, it's been wanting to. It's been sprinkling here and there. Wind picks up from time to time. And then it dies down like right now. There's no wind. Occasional drops. Just another day in the forest. We're getting back to the camp here. And we'll check back in when it's dinner time. If I don't fall on my face. Oh yeah. And there's Bigfoot's home. We're waiting to see if he comes back. Maybe he'll want some dinner. Can always have Gary. Nah, that would upset his stomach too much. Couldn't do that to him. Well, it's a bit cozy in here. Somebody's reading an ebook. Somebody's sawing wood like there's no tomorrow. And there's my tootsies. But we fit. Yeah, I agree. So far so good. We'll see you in the morning. Well, it's the next morning, and this clip is actually from Gary's after dinner walk. When we got up, it was ready to storm, and we had to get the heck out of there. So I didn't do any outro or anything. We just packed up as quick as we could because I did not want to get this little trailer stuck in the mud. And it does get muddy in places out here. So it was a successful trip overall. We fit in the tent. Pat loved it. It was fine. So on to the next one. Hopefully we'll see you in another one. And I thank you very much for watching.